This is our house, or what remains of it. We had 2 cars parked inside. They're obviously gone. And a Tesla parked out here. The shell of a Tesla.
I mean, I was sleeping in my bed 2 days ago, so it doesn't make much sense to me right now, but.
These houses went up across the street. They went up. There's the buildings I'm looking at that are no longer there, and it's nerve-wracking.
Yeah, the shelter I made, I had like a fair amount of stuff, like a big screen TV, like stereo and stuff, and like bed and everything. I got a solar panel left. That's it. I went and got my girlfriend, and if I wouldn't have got it right then, like she wouldn't have made it out.
Underneath here is my son when he was really little, his scooter. How you quantify it, you can't. When you suffer, you suffer. It doesn't matter how much money you have in your pocket. But you're not going to replace photographs. You're not going to replace video of your children. You're not going to replace those things. They're irreplaceable. And those things are in these houses, and they were lost forever.
You know, like I think I might have lost a lot of stuff, but like all the people in the houses, I'm sure like their loss is like comparable or like more than mine. I don't know. Like they're even just like I am.
In all situations, we're all people, dude. All of us. We're all the same. We go through the same things. We want the same. I mean, it's so ridiculous that people would think that race or age or sex or your money would, separate us. We're the same. We're all human.